both to the blue page. Wolfy sets the table for friends today. He's invited all of his friends for tea. Drinking tea with friends is the best, you see. Don't forget anyone. Use a saucer and a mug. Kettle shakes, watch it go. Water boils inside, you know. Good morning, Wolfy. It's a great idea to invite friends for tea. What kind of treat have you got?
Well, my name is Wolfy, my color is blue, and I'd like to search for some honey with you. I'll go to the beehive with all of my friends. I'll ask for some honey and see what we get. Do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do. I will find tasty honey for you. Do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do. All the bees give us honey, it's true.
We're bees, yes, we're bees. We're girls that are so happy. We fly to flowers everywhere, it's true, to make honey for you. Buzz, 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 buzz. Bees are good for everyone. Buzz, 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 buzz. Bees are good and so much fun. We're bees, yes, we're bees. We're girls that are so pretty. We have wings and legs and heads, it's true. Our belly's yellow too. Buzz, 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 buzz. Bees are good for everyone. Buzz, 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 buzz. Bees are good and so much fun. We're bees, yes, we're bees. We're girls whose stings are pointy. Yes, if you touch us, it will hurt, it's true. We might be stinging you. Buzz, 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 buzz. Bees are good for everyone. Buzz, 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 buzz. Bees are good and so much fun.
Well, the bees danced so much that they dropped all the barrels of honey into the water.
On the water we will go, finding honey from a boat. Like this, grabbing honey from the boat. Like this, oh no, it is just a stone. I will start and you repeat, we'll find honey that is sweet. Like this, yes, we have some honey now. It's so tasty and so sweet, honey goes so well with tea.
How delicious it is to drink tea with honey. And now I wish you all sweet dreams. Fall asleep, my Wolfy, please fall asleep. It is time for you to dream, choose a dream. We can travel anywhere, we will travel everywhere. In a dream, yes, in a dream. Right beside the dolphins you'll sail. Ride and see them swim with their tails. With the starfish you can play. You can lie down on the waves. Dragonfly. It is shining brightly on the blue page. Wolfy's in the lake where he likes to play. The sun heats the sand and all of its grains. Flowers start to wilt, they just want the rain. It's so hot, because the sun shines a lot. It takes out all the blue. Even trees are wilting too. Hello there, Wolfy. Oh, it seems only the Dragonfly is enjoying this hot weather.
Well, my name is Wolfy, and I want to play with the Dragonfly on the blue page today. We'll swim in the river under the blue sky, and I'll ask you nicely to teach me to fly. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. We can fly with the Dragonfly too. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. It will show us the things we must do.
Dragonfly, dragonfly, won't you teach us how to fly? With your big and pretty wings, look at all the joy you bring. Stretch your arms out at your side, flap them like a dragonfly. Do, 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 do. Look, now you are flying too. Dragonfly, dragonfly, you're so beautiful and slight. All your colors are so bright. They shine well when you're in flight. Stretch your arms out at your side, flap them like a dragonfly. Do, 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 do. Look, now you are flying too. Oh no, the dragonfly has got its wings wet. Dragonfly, dragonfly, water's on your wings, oh my. We'll hold you up to the sky. The sun's heat will help you dry. Stretch your arms out at your side, flap them like a dragonfly. Do, 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 do. Look, now you are flying too. Now it is nighttime. The dragonfly will soar higher and higher until it's flying among the stars. Look round at the planets that fill the night sky. The air's filled with magic when we're up this high. The stars, they are dancing. The comets, they fly. They all come together as the world goes by. A Wolfy sits with a star, do-do-do. They look around at the planets and moon. A Wolfy sits with a star, do-do-do. They sail the night sky to this lovely tune. Blue butterfly. Open up the book to the blue page. Everything is blue here for us today. There's a blue river and a big blue whale. It swims through the waves using its blue tail. Blue river, watch it flow. Into the sea it will go. Big blue whale, follow me. Let us swim in the blue sea. Wolfy sails along and says hi to you. He has got blue stripes on his vest here too. There's a butterfly that has bright blue wings. We can hold it on our palm as we sing. Oh, the rain, yes, the rain. It's come to us to say hey. Butterfly, that is blue. Everyone has eyes on you. Good morning, Wolfy. It's good to see you.
Well, my name is Wolfy, my color is blue. I've walked along here all day long, it is true. The bridge, it is broken, let's get it to stand. As Dragonfly drinks water right from my hand. Do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do. I will always be here to help you. Do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do. Everything is in order now too.
It's so nice when everything around us is in order.
Oh no!
Help me!
Oh no! The butterfly needs help. It's about to drown. I'm a beautiful butterfly who landed on this leaf. Now I'm feeling so very scared because of this strong breeze. I've been splashed by too much water. My wings are soaked somehow. I can no longer fly away. There's trouble, trouble now. My leaf won't last much longer now. It's bound to sink right down. And this beautiful butterfly will surely fall and drown. I've been splashed by too much water. My wings are soaked somehow. I can no longer fly away. There's trouble, trouble now.
What to do, what to do, what to do? I will call on my friends to save you. Do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do. We can still help the butterfly too. When we work together, we can save the day. We pull butterfly from the river, hooray! To make it feel better, we'll serve up some tea. And let's not forget to add lots of honey.
Hooray! The friends have saved the butterfly from the river. And now we can drink the delicious tea. If you poured out the tea and spilled it, then don't worry. We can clean it with a sponge. Let's clean up now, everyone. Clean, clean, clean the tea. Clean everything that you see. Clean, clean, clean the tea. Job well done for you and me. Magic happens not just during the day, but also at night. The star doo-doo-doo found a good dream today. It takes our friend Wolfy and shows him the way. In the dream we're dancing, we're twirling around. We dance to the music with stars falling down. Oh, Wolfy sits with the star doo-doo-doo. They look together right at the blue moon. Oh, Wolfy sits with the star doo-doo-doo. They sail the night sky to this lovely tune. Song of the Forest. Watch the little beady, it says hello. Painting so much green everywhere it goes. Every single fir tree and meadow too. Even Meowser's eyes are so green, it's true. Green, oh green, all around. In the air and on the ground. In the trees and bushes you see. Even Meowser's eyes are green. There are green cucumbers and onions here, growing in the soil next to grass so near. Look, a green grasshopper right on the grass, eating a green leaf, winking as we pass. Paint with green for the spring. So much beauty green can bring. Soon a seed can really grow into a flower, here we go. Hello, Meowser. What a wonderful green forest all around you.
My eyes So my friends, won't you come with me into the forest? Please come along, and we will sing a forest song. To the forest we will take a walk. Meow, meow, meow. We will sing a song. Meow, meow, meow. Won't you sing along? Come with me and sing the forest song.
It's so fun to walk through the forest together while singing a song.
Walking through the forest with you, listen to the sounds around you. We will try to sing a song now, sing about the forest, but how? What's the forest song about? All about, all about. Everyone who lives in here, in the sky, on the ground. Everyone who lives here. Blow and blow and blow and blow now. Singing with the wind we go now. Through the leaves and all the trees now. Shoo-shoo singing with the breeze now. What's the forest song about? All about, all about. Everyone who lives in here, in the sky, on the ground. Everyone who lives here. Rat-a-tat with a woodpecker, sing a nice duet, it's better. Coo-coo-coo along with cuckoo, I will sing along if you do. What's the forest song about? All about, all about. Everyone who lives in here, in the sky, on the ground. Everyone who lives here.
It's so nice in the forest, but now there is a mess. If you write a special song, leaving papers all along, you must clean the mess you made. Put the papers where they came. Wee, 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 wee. Put away the toys with me. Wee, 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 wee. You and I are great, you see. After a walk in the forest, you will have a magical dream. Kittens will be walking, thinking without talking, forming something sweet from a soft glowing light. Kittens will be playing, soon they will be saying that they need to sleep through the long quiet night. Meow, 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 stars in the sky, and meow, 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 bright and yellow moon. Meow, 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 sleep little kitten. Meow, 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 time to sleep for you.
Hiking. Open up the book to the red page. Foxtail has a flag in her hand today. On a walking trip she is going to go.
Who is coming with me? Come on, let's go. Walking trip. Here we go! Can't you hear the calling wind? Walking trip. Here we go! Gather everyone you know.
Hello, Foxtail. And what do you need to take with you on a walking trip?
Take a backpack on your way. I will keep you very safe. Compass and some food will do. We will need them, me and you. Here we go, here we go. Pack your backpack, then we'll go. Pack it up, pack it up. Don't forget to pack your stuff. Here we go, here we go. Pack your backpack, then we'll go. Pack it up, pack it up. Don't forget to pack your stuff.
How amazing! With all this preparation going on, a walking trip is such a pleasure.
Walking through the woods with my friends, through the forests over mountains. Grab the rope and you'll be fine now, so we don't get left behind now. Going on a walking trip, walk along, walk along. Moving through the paths and fields, singing our walking song. Walking through meadows too. Here is something riding our way. It's a puddle with a walkway. Jump along and step on the rocks. Come along, my friends, now let's cross. Won't you jump across with me? Jump across, jump across. Now we're on the other side. Yes, we jumped on the rocks. What's ahead? What's ahead?
How bravely the friends got over all of the obstacles.
There's a narrow path ahead now. Take it slow, we'll cross it somehow. We can do it when we're with friends. If we take a lot of small steps, we will be right by your side, by your side, by your side. Walking on the path all right, we will all be all right. Take one step at a time. Look at all the broken branches. On the walking path they landed. All we have to do is bend down, crawling under branches. Oh, wow. Now, my friends, we have to rest, have to rest, have to rest. Open up your backpacks now. Sleeping bags are the best. Time to rest, time to rest.
Well done, friends. You have walked such a difficult path, and now you can relax by the fire. Sleeping in the open air can be magical. Fall asleep, Foxtail, sleep. You will have lovely dreams. In the morning we'll travel north, west, south, and east. First in dreams you will try, then we'll go in real life. I will help you with everything here by your side. Hush-a-bye, Foxtail, sleep. Hush-a-bye, Foxtail, sleep. Fall asleep, you will sleep, fall asleep. Hush-a-bye, Foxtail, sleep. Hush-a-bye, Foxtail, sleep. You will dream, yes, you'll dream. You will dream, oh, you'll dream.
Wolfy. Open up the book to the blue page. Beady is so happy it's time to paint. Watch her spread her color so bright and new. Everything she touches will now be blue. Over there, who is he? It's our special friend Wolfy. He is kind, he is blue. Wolfy is the friend for you. Look, it's Wolfy.
Welcome, friend. Let me say hello. What a day for us all to grow. Now you wave, say hello again. You're my pal, that will never end.
Hello, Wolfy.
Well, my name is Wolfy. I love to have fun. I play in the water, I play in the sun. Whenever you need me, just call out my name, and Wolfy will be there to play a new game. Do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do. I am Wolfy, my color is blue. Do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do. I will play in the water with you. Woo! Let's hop in our boat and we'll float on the waves. We can both be captains of the ship today. We'll play with the water and have a good time. We'll splash and we'll swim and we'll learn how to dive. Do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do. I am Wolfy, my color is blue. Do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do. I will play in the water with you.
Oh, what beautiful flowers grow in Wolfy's flower bed. Beady's going to color the flowers blue. Wolfie's going to water the flowers too. Flowers need a drink so they all can stand. You can use the water inside the can. Dip it now, watch it spray. We must do this every day. Try again, oh my. There's no water left inside. Oh, the watering can is empty.
First we watch Blue Wolfie filling up the can. Then we find the flowers struggling to stand. We pour on the water and ding, 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 ding. The flowers are dancing, oh ding, 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 ding. We're shaking our heads now, oh ding, 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 ding. We're waving our leaves now, ding, 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 ding.
Everything is fine now. Flowers really love when they are watered.
See the flowers swaying, happily so blue. They will sing to Wolfie just to say thank you. We're shaking our heads now, ding, 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 ding. We're waving our leaves now, ding, 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 ding. We're shaking our heads now, ding, 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 ding. We're waving our leaves now, ding, 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 ding.
Wolfie is so tired, and it's time to go to bed. Our boat will go sailing deep into the night. The moon and the stars are alive in the sky. So please close your eyes and we'll all go to sleep. You'll snuggle in bed where your dreams will be sweet. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Time to sleep, little Wolfie, it's true. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. He is waving goodnight right to you.
Are you curious what the next Beadies episode is about? I am so excited.